Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to start with the laravel 6 video tutorial. And before that I'm just going to make a video on the composer, and in this video we will learn that why we have to use the composer and how we can install it and how we can use it with the laravel and what's the benefit of it. Alright, so let's start with the first question. What is the composer and why we have to use it? Actually, composer is a package management system and a dependency management system for the PHP, and it will help you to install the all dependencies and all libraries during your project. So for example, when you're just using the laravel, with the laravel, then you need lots of other packages also, and with the laravel and can install the all packages in a single command also. So, and the second thing is when many developers working on a single project and one guy just install the 4 or 5 library, then if you are not going to use the composer, then other guy have to install the all libraries manually. But with the composer you can manage the all dependency with a single commands, and everything will be installed automatically in your project with a single command also. So these kind of benefits with the composer when you just use it. All right, so now let's see that how we can install it. So for that I'm just going to open the official website of the composer. So just write here composer in Chrome tab. Okay, my internet is not working. Let's try once again. Just write here composer once again, and this is the official website of the composer, which is the getcomposer.org. Just when you just load it, then you have to go on the download link, and here you will find some commands to download, and just copy the all commands, and with the one by one you can run them on the command line. So just run the first command, and let's discuss all the commands during this installation. So first command is used for download the installer in your current directory, and second command, which is the SHA 364 verifier. With that you can verify your installation, and at a third command you can run your installer. And let's say you don't want to use anymore your installer, then you can use the fourth command also. All right, so now you can see that this is the first one is run successfully, and terminal is ready for the next command. And just you have to copy the second command also and just paste it, and here you can see that your installer is verified here. All right, okay, so after that you just have to use the third command also, and with the third command you are able to use your composer. It will just take some time. During this time I'm just going to stop the video so that video can be complete within a small amount of time. Yeah, now you can see that the composer is installed, and this is your current version of the composer. To use the composer you can just use the two commands. One for you can just write here directly composer. All right, and here you will see that lots of command, and here, on the top you can see the composer inside the command line with the version and all. Right, so let's say if you want to just run this command, then you will find the same thing also, just use it, and here you can see that composer here also. So you can use the both commands as you want to use. And if you want to just directly use your command, this is the global installation of composer in your system, and if you want to install it in a specific directory, then you can install it inside -- install dir option. All right, so thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.